Hi guys, Melissa here from The Happier Homemaker, and today I'm going to show you just how easy it is to make a steak that's just like the ones that you find at a fancy steakhouse. You're not going to believe how easy this is, and you're going to want to try it all the time. So I have here a New York strip steak, and I have my cast iron on hot. I want this thing super, super hot, and I'm also preheating my oven to 400 degrees. So that's where we're getting started right now. I've also put some sea salt and pepper into a plate here. I'll put that there. And I have some olive oil. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to rinse my steak and pat it dry, which I've already done. Bring this over here. And I'm going to brush the steak on all sides with the olive oil. So I'm just going to make sure I coat it on all sides. Like this. All right, and we're gonna move quickly here because my pan is hot. And I'm gonna just coat it with this salt and pepper mixture, making sure to get it on all the edges. There we go. And now I'm gonna put the steak in the cast iron grill. This is probably gonna sizzle a little bit, it's hot. Okay, you might need to turn your fan on because as you can see it's gonna smoke, but what we're gonna do is we're just gonna sear this steak on all sides, about 2 minutes per side. The reason we're searing the steak for 2 minutes on each side is just really lock those juices in, and then we're gonna pop it in the oven to finish cooking. Okay, we've seared the steak on all sides for about 2 minutes each side. It's nice and brown. We have those pretty little hatch marks on it from the cast iron skillet, and now I'm gonna transfer it to a baking sheet. Before I pop it in the oven, however, I'm going to put a couple pats of butter on top. Oh, that one fell. So I'm just gonna get that. Goodness gracious. And now we're gonna pop it in the oven for about, I'd say it's gonna be about this is a really thick steak, it's probably gonna be between 5 and 10 minutes. So for a, well, let me go ahead and pop it in the oven. Okay, now our steak is cooking in the oven, and we're gonna cook it for between 5 and 10 minutes depending on the thickness of the steak. You wanna use a meat thermometer, so if you want your steak rare, you'll wanna cook it till it's 120 degrees in the middle, 125 for medium rare, and 135 for medium. And once we take it out, we're gonna let it rest for 10 minutes before serving it. And I know, guys, it seems way too simple, but this is the perfect steakhouse steak method. Okay, it's been about 8 minutes and my steak is done, so I'm gonna take it out of the oven. And you can see this is amazing, guys. It looks delicious. And how easy was that? I dare you to try this and then leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think of it. Until next time, bye-bye.